In this video, we will learn about while loops in C++. A while loop allows us to run code multiple times. We should use a for loop when we know the amount of times we want to loop through the code, and a while loop when we aren't sure how many times to loop through. A while loop will execute while its condition is true. Let's create an int variable x that we assign a value of 2. While x is greater than 0, we will output x and then a new line to the console. After that, we will decrement x. When we run the code, notice that x was output with a value of 2 and then a value of 1. The code stopped executing once x held a value of 0 because the condition for the while loop became false. Let's look at another example of a while loop. For this example, we will create a Boolean variable named condition that we assign a value of true. While condition is true, we will output hello world to the console. Then we will set condition to false. When we run the code, notice that hello world was output to the console. In both examples that we just looked at, it is important to note that the condition of the while loop became false. Beware a while loop whose condition never changes to false, as this causes something called an infinite loop, which executes indefinitely and causes the program to crash. For example, you never want to have true as the condition unless you have code that will break out of the while loop inside of it.